I want bayabas, señorita. Ma'am, I want to buy bayabas. How much?
20.
Okay, give me one.
Ay, isa ba?
Bayabas.
Bayabas ba? Bayabas isa.
Ma'am, can I ask a question, ma'am?
Ha?
Can I ask a question?
Ang saban? Bay, wala yung pangutana, ha?
I'm going to Taboylan. Where? Excuse me, ma'am. I'm Phil. This is my first time here. I'm half Apple, ma'am. Can you speak English? I cannot understand.
Ha?
How much?
20.
Do you have a plastic? Ma'am, I'm going to Taboylan Island. Where?
Tabulan?
Yeah.
Tabulan is 2 kilometers. 2 kilometers from here. Tabulan is far.
Okay. Where is nearest mall here?
What?
Nearest mall.
Nearest mall is
Yeah.
here.
Where?
Quezano Mall, City Mall,
I want go to restaurant.
restaurant.
Yeah.
There.
Where? I want famous restaurant.
Famous?
Yeah.
Famous restaurant. Restaurant. And let's go. Tapahan.
I want lechon.
Lechon.
Yeah.
Lechon. Yan, Tay.
How many minutes?
Layo, park.
Thank you, ma'am. Maybe I can ask there. You have sauce, ma'am? Sauce?
20 sauce.
Yeah.
Want to put
Sauce, like suka.
suka.
Yeah.
It's separate.
Yeah.
Change.
Hey, thank you. Thank you. You're so kind. Thank you. Layo pa to, te? Layo pa to? Ka-vlog na to. Oh. Prank na bitaw ko, ma'am? Nag-prank na bitaw ko? Nag-prank na ko ba? Okay, i-upload, no?
Okay naman.
Fist bump naman. Sapatos ako, mama. Salamat.